Hi, I'm Taylor Hagler. One thing we've learned after winning back-to-back championships is that reliability is key. Our Elantra in race car finished every race 2 years in a row. That sort of reliability comes from making certain we keep our vehicles running at peak performance. One way to ensure this? We check the engine oil level before every session on track. And it's no different when it comes to our street cars. Hyundai recommends that you check your engine oil regularly. A helpful guide would be to check your engine oil every 3,000 miles or every 6 months, whichever comes first. Now, this may vary based on the model, so be sure to check your owner's manual for details. But it's so fast and easy to do, I find myself checking it much more often. In fact, you can do it in less time than it takes to fill up with fuel. So whenever you're filling up, it may be a good idea to check your engine oil. All you need is a paper towel or a clean shop towel. To ensure that you get an accurate oil level reading, your vehicle should be at its normal operating temperature and your vehicle should be parked on a level surface with the engine off. Now that your vehicle is ready, let's walk through the process together. First, open the hood. Next, locate your dipstick handle. The location can vary based off the type of vehicle you have. Now remove the dipstick from the tube while wiping off the oil with your towel. With the oil removed from the dipstick, reinsert it into the tube. Wait a few seconds, then remove it again. This time, do not wipe the oil from the dipstick. You should be able to see your engine oil level reading. If the oil level is below full, you will need to add engine oil. Check your owner's manual to see what kind of oil you will need to add. Adding engine oil is very simple too. You just need a funnel and the correct engine oil. To see more instructions on this, you can visit Hyundai USA's YouTube channel and watch the full How to Check Your Engine Oil video. Top off your engine oil and you're all set. Now that you know how to check your engine oil level, make sure to do it regularly in between your scheduled maintenance visits with your authorized Hyundai Service Center. It's one quick way to help you and your Hyundai enjoy miles of peak performance.